Imagine a machine as long as a football field. This machine can bore through solid rock. It can carve out tunnels big enough for trains and cars. These are tunnel boring machines, or TBMs. TBMs are marvels of engineering. They are essential for building tunnels all over the world. TBMs are like giant worms eating their way through the earth. They grind up rock and soil. They line the tunnel walls with concrete as they go. But what happens to these massive machines when the tunnel is done? They can't just turn around. The most common way to remove a TBM is to take it apart. This process is like a giant puzzle in reverse. Engineers disassemble the TBM piece by piece. The pieces are then brought back out through the tunnel. This method is often used when the tunnel is relatively short. It's also preferred if there's easy access to both ends. However, disassembly has its challenges. It's time-consuming. It can be expensive, especially for large TBMs. Sometimes the tunnel conditions make disassembly risky or even impossible. Sometimes there are more practical options than disassembling the TBM. If the tunnel emerges at an open location, the TBM can simply be lifted out. This is often the case with tunnels that end near a body of water or a large open space. In remote areas where the tunnel ends deep underground, burying the TBM might be the most practical solution. The machine becomes part of the tunnel structure. This option is often chosen for projects where removing the TBM is too costly or logistically challenging. Another alternative is to design the TBM to reverse back through the tunnel. This approach requires careful planning and specialized equipment. However, it can be a viable option for certain projects, especially those with challenging geological conditions. TBMs are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They are equipped with advanced sensors and automation. These advancements allow them to bore through even harder rock and navigate more complex underground environments. As we push the limits of engineering, we can expect even more innovative solutions for TBM removal. Imagine TBMs that can self-disassemble or transform into other useful machinery. The future of tunneling is bright, with TBMs playing a pivotal role in building the infrastructure of tomorrow. Our world is shaped by what we build, both above